Bo's first time in his big bathtub without the infant safety net. He's just in the big tub. Can you show everybody your kicks? Hey, buddy, can you show everybody your kicks? Hey, sweetie. Hey, can you show them? Show them your chubby legs. Hey, hey, what do you think? This is pretty cool, huh? Yeah, you have so much more room to kick now. Yeah. Oh, and you can stretch. Good job. Good job. Show mommy your kicks. Hi, sweetie. What are those legs doing? Yeah, those are your legs. Those are your legs. Good job. Yeah, I'm still here.